Welcome to my YouTube channel, Law Unlocked. Before going forward, do subscribe and like my YouTube channel. Minor Act includes 1. Arbitration Act, 2. Urban Rent Restriction Ordinance, 1959, 3. Court Fees Act, 4. Civil Court Ordinance. Here, we will firstly discuss Urban Rent Restriction Ordinance, 1959. Historical perspective of URRO, 1959. In Urban Rent Restriction Ordinance, 1959, we study that how to restrict the rent in urban areas by filing application to the rent controller. In West Pakistan, there was no laws for rent at that time. Local laws were used, which include 1. Balochistan Rent Control Regulation, 2 NWFP House Control Act, 1946. 3. Bahawalpur State Urban Rent Restriction Act, 1947. 4th Sindh Rent Restriction Act, 1952. Urban Rent Restriction Ordinance, 1959, Ordinance 6 of 1959. This ordinance was introduced to regulate matters related to the renting of urban properties, eviction, and rent control. Repeal of previous laws. The ordinance effectively repealed and replaced existing laws governing rent restrictions in urban areas. This included any provincial rent control acts or previous colonial-era legislation that governed tenancy and rent disputes.